Okay, so let's see the duality concept. This is the given example. What we have to do, we have to put dot in each box like this. Okay, now let's see, this is dot 1, dot 2, dot 3. We'll put one reference dot outside of the circuit. We have to connect each dot to each every another dot, okay, crossing the given element. Now means if this is dot number 1, we have to connect dot number 1 to the reference dot. Okay, but to connect it, there should be any some element. So here we can see current source is there. Okay, so we can cut this current source like this. Why we are doing this, I will tell you later. And connect it to this dot. Okay, here from here whether to connect or not, no, because we can see there is no any element present. Okay, so only element should be cut. Okay, so this is how we are connected. Now 1 and 2 should be again interconnected, but and there is a resistance, so we can cut the resistance and connect them like this. Okay, similarly 2 should be connected to the reference node, and there is a capacitor, so we can cut the capacitor like this and we can connect it to the reference node. Okay, and now we can see between 2 and 3 there is a inductor, so we can cut it like this. Now this third number node should be connected to reference node, and we can say there are 2 elements, so 2 times it should be connected. One from this resistance like this, another from this capacitor. Okay, this is the basic step. Now what we have to do, we have to what is duality concept? The KVL equation of this circuit should be KCL equation of another circuit. So I will draw these 3 dot here, node 1, node 2, node 3. For reference node I will draw simple line. Okay, so between 1 and 2 there was a, between node number 1 and 2 there is a resistance which will be converted into conductance. We have seen it, table, conductance of name G1. Between 1 and reference there is a current going upward, so current should be converted into voltage with upward positive polarity, right? Between 2 and reference there is a capacitor that should be converted into inductance. 2 and reference, right, by name L2. Between 2 and 3 there is an inductor, it should be converted into capacitor, C3. Okay, between 3 and reference there are 2 sources, 2 elements, resistance and capacitor. So resistance will get converted into conductance with name G4, and resistance node will get connected to this by using through this capacitor, so that capacitor will get converted into inductor, L5. Okay, so this is the dual network of this above network. Exam contains this marks which gives you 5 marks. Exam contains this question which give you 5 marks. Okay, and now the KVL equation of this is exactly as a KCL equation of this. This is the duality concept, and with this we have completed second module, and you have to write both 2 assignments based on first and second module and submit it before Thursday of this week. Okay, thank you very much.